This is her new outfit. Amazing every day. It's a long sleeve with these Christmassy sparkly pants. And she's just looking so adorable. So we're headed to the store called Once Upon a Child. We're going to look at some outfits for Kiara. We're going to get her some long sleeves because winter is just around the corner. We're going to have negative temperatures next week. And then we're also going to look at sleepers and other things they have on sale there. It is a used clothing slash toys slash baby stuff. So you get everything for cheap there. So we're going to look around and see what our options are. We're not sure if we're going to purchase anything, but we'll probably just purchase clothes right now. So that's what we're doing right now. We have had our furnace shut off because the motherboard broke on us. And so we had to get our the company that we're with to come over to our house today and get it fixed and replaced. We got the motherboard replaced and now the furnace is up and going. We were without heat for about 48 hours or more. So it is so nice to have heat again. It was freezing. We made sure Kiara kept warm. So put her in her warm pajamas. They're very thick. So she was super warm and we kept warm too in our warm pajamas. So let's go to the store. So one thing I'm looking forward to for winter is having my winter gear on. This hat here is from the Mech store and I love it. It has this little pom-pom at the top and it's just super comfy. And then I have this spring jacket on. I also have a winter jacket. So we're just at Scotiabank right now and we're getting money out of the bank. Well, Mom is anyways. And then we're going to go to Once Upon a Child and stop at Canadian Tire because I want to put my Canadian Tire money on my card. Like there's a card now that you can put all your money on to the card. All your Canadian Tire money onto the card. So here we go. So these are the clothes I got from Once Upon a Child. We'll start over in here. This is a 3-piece, actually 2-piece. Actually it came with these pants. And so it has a little bow here and bow here. This is the onesie. And then this is like a cardigan sweater. And that age is 6 to 12. And that was $7.50 for that outfit. And then over here it says Born to Wear Diamonds. Thought that was adorable. And it comes with like a onesie like attached to it. And then with that it came with these cute Mickey Mouse pants. And then we got her 2 sleepers. So this is the one, we got a thin sleeper. This was $3.50. And it's a 9-month. So it goes all the way down and it has little feet here. And it's from Carter's. And then we got this here. It's a gingerbread, so it's perfect for Christmas. And it's 6 to 9 and it's from Carter's as well. That was $3.50, so you can get really cheap stuff here and it was $9. So this is used clothing as I said before. So yeah, that is that. And then we got our 2 bibs. They are buckle bibs. They're bandana bibs as well. They buckle at the very back and they're adjustable, so they grow as they grow. Their head gets bigger, so you can adjust where you snap it in. So we got this pink one with stripes, and then this plain pink one here, and it came together. So the brand is Bump Kids. So that is everything we got for that. Personally, my favorite would probably be the diamond outfit. Oh, it's so cute. Look at that. Like, isn't it adorable? It comes with a little bow here and then a board to wear diamonds. So adorable. This is the back. It's just like a cute skirt. And then the onesie goes like that. So adorable. So for my asparagus, I put it in this big coffee mug and then I had some cool water in it, and this helps it stay fresher longer. We're making some chili this morning. It looks delicious. It's a bean chili with no meat, so it is vegetarian. And I absolutely love this crock pot here. And it cooks for 8 hours, so it'll be ready at 4:30. Just got back from our walk. It was probably like almost an hour walk. We went to the forest and saw a bunch of pretty trees that were fall colored. And as you can see, my cheeks are red because of the wind. I didn't wear a scarf. I should have wore one, but I didn't. I can't wait to make sure Kiara is super warm. That will be her last walk for the year. We just thought we would go see the fall colors and show her a little bit about fall. Because she was born in spring, so she's seen spring and she's seen summer, but she hasn't seen fall yet. So we just thought we would go show her. So the chili is ready now. Let's have a look. Ooh, that yumminess. Crock pot for about 8 hours or less. I'm not sure. Look how yummy that looks. Mmm. So it's all ready to go. It goes on warm. That's it for this vlog. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you tomorrow in our next daily vlog. Bye.